The ministry has activated its National Emergency Operations Center, which is coordinating the response. The island-wide enhanced surveillance system is in place to monitor all fever and rash cases, neurological syndromes and congenital malformations, and any other presentations consistent with Zika. Ministry of Health and the regional health authorities, through collaboration with other ministries, Ministry of Local Government, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Youth and Culture, Ministry of Transport, Work and Housing, on the instruction of the Prime Minister, will put in further measures to ensure that the vector is treated and killed.
Our youth are on board, and through our agency, the National Youth Service, we have ensured that we'll be able to give 200 volunteers to the Ministry of Health from 3 areas of the programs that we have under the NYS. One, our special employment program, which will see about 6 young people per parish, and these parishes are the high-risk parishes that the minister has outlined. But for KSA, you'll see 32 of them, and they will be deployed for a period of 4 weeks. They'll be trained by the Ministry of Health in terms of what is necessary. They'll be deployed, they'll give out the pamphlets and information. The other aspect is our social media campaign, where volunteers also from our registry of the NYS will be working in tandem with the Ministry of Health to make sure that we cover all the social media platforms. And then the third area that we'll be taking them from is the NYS Volunteer Initiative. In conjunction, those volunteers will go out with members of parliament in the various constituencies to assist them with their cleanup campaign.
Right now in central Kingston, which is a very densely populated area, there are 400 young people under the training of the Heart Trust NTA, the Ministry of Health, the KSAC, with the assistance of the Citizen Security and Justice Program, the police and the army, who are being trained as sanitation technicians, and they will be going around the parade gardens area in the next 3 days, drawing out all of the rubbish mosquito breeding sites, old tire, old car, old pan, everything, to make sure that this has a community aspect to it. The Ministry of Education has designated this coming Friday, February 5th, 2016, again under the leadership of the Ministry of Health, as National Cleanup Day in schools, to facilitate vector control activities to reduce mosquito breeding in schools. And we are mandating once a week, look for and remove current and possible breeding sites. We're hoping to provide, or will provide, every school with repellent.
We have a very active program in Spanish Town, in Manchester, which we understand is also one of those areas which has a lot of the Aedes aegypti mosquito. The program includes town hall meetings, flyers, town criers, ads, radio and cable. We have trained 863 persons to join everybody already there to disseminate information and to try to identify and destroy breeding sites. I have also instructed NSWMA to send out an advisory to all persons, all companies and individuals in terms of the deal with tires. They should put a hole in the tire before we take them onto where we dispose of tires these days. Those who are unable to do so, we're asking them to fill it with sand or earth so that you will not have any place for the breeding of the mosquitoes.
The Ministry of Transport, Work and Housing is embarking this week on a $200 million cleanup, which is gullies and drains, etc., through the Jeep Secretariat and through the ministry itself. Within Portmore, we have deployed additional resources, including vector control workers, equipment and supplies, as well as other resources to enhance surveillance and public awareness. The government is taking a coordinated approach in managing this public health emergency. We have to view this as a concern for every single citizen and do our part to reduce the spread of this disease.